Congratulations and welcome to the PUR fam. We're thrilled that you've taken the first steps towards a healthier you by ordering your cleanse from PUR Cold Pressed Juice. Before your PUR juices start their journey to your doorstep, we wanted to share some tips to help you make the most of your cleanse experience. Tip number 1, plan ahead. Whether you've chosen our 3, 5, or 7-day cleanse, it's important to be mindful about your start date. Commit to a consistent juice schedule for the duration of your cleanse and plan around a time when you have limited distractions and temptations. Tip number 2, stay hydrated. Hydration is key to a successful cleanse. As our PUR juices begin to detoxify your body, water will be your trusted sidekick. It helps flush out toxins and supports your body's natural restoration process. And remember, during your cleanse, it's important not to overdo it. Your body is working hard to detoxify itself, so we recommend limiting excessive activity and exercise. Instead, focus on practicing mind and body wellness. Stay positive, be kind to yourself, and embrace this journey towards a healthier and happier lifestyle. So get ready for a healthier you surrounded by our supportive PUR fam community. We'll be right here cheering you on every step of the way. Stay tuned for your shipping information, which will be on its way shortly. And remember, if you have any questions or need further assistance or guidance, reach out to us on social media or via email. You can also download our cleanse guide from our website. Welcome to the PUR fam.